Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to touch on string formatting, placeholders, and a little bit more advanced way to do it. So last time we saw something along these lines where we just we did placeholders. Let's say these are like names, something simple like names at a law firm. So we just do this, close it out, format, and then we have Smith, Davis, and Thomas. And we saw that when we run this and we print out X, we get this. Now let's say there's a dispute and they say, we're going to have multiple of these. So let's say they get upset with each other and they want their names flipped around. So we did not do this last time. So now, as we see, you can go through, and this is our zero index. So we go through 0, 1, 2, and we can flip-flop them. Now, this is where it gets pretty cool. So let's say we have a list, and let's just copy this. Don't want you to have to watch me type real slow. So we do this. So now we have this here, and we go, okay, so we put in, so this should work, right? Or we put in names, and then we call it, right? Alright, not so much. This is weird. So you could, whatever, it's kind of like a default way to think about it. So I could name this anything, but you're going to assign names to or whatever you wanted to go here. So then I go, actually let's show you, name, then bracket, let's copy, paste, and let's go 2 or 1, 2, and this guy got demoted. So now run it, lo and behold. So alright, we took our list variable, assigned it to name, and then inside our string we can do this. Now how about we say it's something like, I don't know, the cast of a play, and let's look at this. So now we have, I don't know if this will fit. Now let's stretch this out over here so you can see it. So what I did is I took, so we have the cast, and Romeo is played by John, Juliet is played by Sally, and then the writer is Shakespeare. So we just change this up. Let's copy this again, paste, and we gotta get this to be cast equals cast, because that's what we have here. And then we just go and change this. And then we put in Romeo. Juliet. And writer. Oops. Cast and writer. Oops, wow. Let's run this, and lo and behold, here we are. So these are some more advanced and really cool things. This took me a little bit of a while to wrap my head around, and also this, that it didn't have to be anything more. But that is string formatting with a little bit more of advanced topics. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and absolutely most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you guys missing out on any of these videos that it took me a while to really wrap my head around. I want you guys to have this one place to get all this information from. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.